You know what's surprising this market cycle, with how much gold has risen the last few years? The fact that I haven't had, usually we get calls on the program about gold. We get clients saying, why don't we have more gold in the portfolio? It's different this time. And maybe it's because the stock market's been so much on fire that you haven't missed out on anything. Like, gold's up, but so is everything else. So who cares?
Yeah, another asset.
Not everything's. I mean, real estate's not up stuff during the last couple of years, but stock market's been on a tear the last couple of years, and gold has. But it hasn't been a time where it's usually people. The financial market's the only markets that I know of where people like to buy more when it gets expensive, right? And they like to sell when things are on sale.
The thing that
when prices go up, they think, oh, isn't that good? Maybe I should buy some. When prices go down, they go, oh, this is bad. I should get out. It's the opposite of everything else.
But Scott, look, the thing about gold, which I just truly have never ever understood, I just don't understand it. And I'm just flat out don't understand it. Is the price of gold ultimately is actually based on the cost of getting it out of the ground and refining it.
Because there's plenty of gold actually in
the world.
Who knows how much there is,
right?
There might be. I might have heard the other day someone said there's probably enough oil for 500 years. Wasn't that many? It was my lifetime it was supposed to run out.
40 years ago.
As a child, I was terrified of it. Existential threat.
Yes. You're like, so it's, I just don't understand it. I don't understand it.
Well, you do understand it.
I understand that there's lots of emotion behind it that's running it.
And people will build their own case for it if they want to. We can build a case for anything as humans if that's what we'd like to do.
Yeah. I mean, we all create our own cognitive biases.
I mean, the only time you really want to have a bunch of gold is if the entire world blows apart. But then you really want more guns and a bunch of young people to fight for you.
And bullets and
let's really
caches of food.
That's right.
places in the mountains.
And a bunch of young people willing to fight for you.
Okay.
I mean, if it gets that bad, someone's going to come steal your gold. Take it from you.
That's right.
I mean, people try to look at how do I eliminate every single risk in my financial future? Well, it's impossible.
Yes. Yeah.
We can do our best to minimize as much as we can, which is one of the things we like to do here. I mean,
pay off your mortgage.
Some really basic things, right?
Buy some life insurance. Save some money. Keep it well diversified. There we go. Show's over.